If you're a Toyota Highlander owner, you need to know why your AC isn't working. Let's dive in. Hey there! If your Highlander's air conditioning isn't cooling you down, don't sweat it. Here are some common issues and easy solutions. First up, check your levels. Low Freon can make your AC blow warm air. A quick top-off might be all you need. Next, it could be over time, dirt and debris block airflow. Replace that filter and feel the chill again. Also inspect it's at the front of your car and can get blocked by leaves or bugs. Give it a clean and you're good to go. Another common culprit is if it's not working, the AC won't either. Listen for odd noises or see if it's cycling on and off. If so, it might need a repair or replacement. Finally, check sometimes it's just a blown fuse stopping the whole system. Swap it out and see if that does the trick. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent most of these issues. So keep your Highlander running cool and smooth, that's it. Now you know why your Toyota Highlander's AC might not be working and how to fix it. Stay cool out there.